Today we'll be doing some unit testing using Pytest. All right, line 1, we're importing Pytest. Line 2, we're importing Cisco_router, which is a local module that we'll go over it in just a bit. From line 4 on down, we just have a function. Line 5 here, we're pretty much just leveraging a class. We're instantiating a class from the Cisco_router module to the variable device. So we'll call that in just a bit. Actually, we'll call it in on line 6 here, and we'll be using a specific method under that class by the name of get interface status, and we will be passing an argument of fast Ethernet 01. All right, on line 7 here, we're doing an assert, and we're expecting the Boolean down or otherwise. If we don't get the Boolean down, we will, obviously leverage this F string to kind of get some logging here. Okay, so we'll jump over to the Cisco_router .py module that we spoke about a bit earlier. As you can see here, we have a instance variable that's set up here, and self.interfaces is pretty much a dictionary possessing 2 key value pairs, one value being up, one value being down. Line 5 here, we have that method that we spoke about earlier, and pretty much it just does a get, right? So it jumps into this particular dictionary, and it'll grab the specified interface that we'll be calling. Okay, so let's jump back over here. So in this case, we are passing interface fast Ethernet 01. Let's see what that's doing. Okay, so that should return the Boolean value. Well, in this case, it could be any value, but that should be passing the value down. Okay, so that matched. So that should be a passing test. But we don't, we want to kind of test the scenario, both scenarios, right? So what we'll do is we'll pass the interface that bears the value up. Okay, and we got exactly what we expect, right? Because this Boolean should be down in this assert. Okay, and as you can see, the F string is working like it's supposed to, and it actually passed the value from the interface result. So looks like everything's working as expected. Now we'll jump in and we'll actually pass fast Ethernet 01. And in this case, as we can see, the value for this particular interface in this dictionary is down. And that's exactly what we expect. The test has passed. All right.